We are at the Midland Butter Tart Festival, and it is amazing here. The last 2 years, we've been releasing butter tart ice cream. Last year it was raisin. This year it's pecan. This is naturally the best place to come when you have butter tart ice cream. Great. Excellent. Thanks.
Very good ice cream. Tastes exactly like a butter tart.
Delicious. It is the best. It is the best.
Oh, it's really good. Yeah.
It's amazing. It really is. It tastes like butter tart.